I'm sure this happens to a lot of Florida homeowners, and there's not a lot of videos out there to describe how to fix this problem. So I thought I'd do a video on it. This is a new lock that I put on. Say for instance, you forget your keys where you put them, you lost them like we did. Unfortunately, I rekeyed the entire house, and we threw all the old keys away for the house, but we mistakenly threw away the keys for our hurricane shutters. So this is just a quick video on how to fix that problem. So first of all, obviously you're not going to have a key to open it, so you just want to go inside, obviously, use the thumb turn and open up the hurricane shutters. Now this lock is called a Mortise lock, M-O-R-T-I-S-E, Mortise. And it's not a special lock for hurricane shutters. It's what most businesses use on the front of their doors. And how you're going to actually get into this is quite easy. Notice this one doesn't have a collar on it. I'm actually putting the collar on so you can see what that does. So this is going to save you a lot of money on not having to pay somebody like a locksmith to come out and either rekey it using a bump key, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to show you. So first of all, the way to get into it is you see there's 3 screws. So we're going to take those off. Now we need to slide this plate off. Mine's a bit sticky at the top, but let's see. There it goes. All right. And then you're left with this. A lot of the times you'll see that there's 2 screws in here. You can see that ours have been drilled off for security reasons, so you can't get in there, but we don't need to. So to get rid of this tumbler, which you can then order a new one, a new Mortise Lock tumbler on Amazon, all you have to do is look to the middle of the lock, and there should be a set screw on this one anyway. And what we want to do is we want to remove that set screw. So to do that, you just put it in this little hole here. Now you don't have to back the screw out all the way. You want to leave the screw in, but you want to back it out enough that you can then turn the lock out, and this is as easy as it is. All right, and the lock comes out. That's it. What you have to do to get a matching lock, if all you need to do is change this and not the thumb screw at the back, is you have to measure the size of all of this. So there's lots of videos online that can show you how to measure. But you want to measure the size here, here, and the width. All right, that's it. I think the 2 that we just bought on Amazon cost all of $12. It saved us the drive to a locksmith, and as well calling somebody out. So again, the name of this is a Mortise lock. So I'm putting on this collar. That's why I took it off again, and I thought I'd do the video. This collar here is the security device. You saw that it sits in with this little set pin. It's easy to break into these. All I put is a huge adjustable wrench or a pipe wrench on it, twist it. This little screw will break and they twist it off. This device will stop it when you put it on. So it ends up going on like this. Whoops. It's a bit cold out here in Florida today. And then when they try and get a wrench on it, it just spins. So they can't grab this part and spin it. So that's going to go on. Now, to reinstall it, once you get your new one, you slide it in until you can feel it start to bite. Now you're probably wondering, well, if yours has this, how do you get it off if it's tight? Well, you just put the key in there once you've released the set screw, and you can stick the key in halfway and you can start to turn the entire lock, and that will unscrew it. So what we have to do now is we've got to find out, because I tightened it down just to show you, where the actual set screw sits. So we put it in all the way, and then you're going to feel where it bites. All right, and then you just tighten the set screw down. I know it's in place because of how deep it's going. And that's it. Now, it works. So that's a brand new lock, $12, including, I just got the tumbler side of it. The thumb side works perfectly. Just to show you, you don't have to buy the whole thing. And even if it's locked from the inside, it works. So that's how to fix your hurricane shutter when you forget the keys, when you lose the keys.